Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivation speaker. Today I am going to speak about few tips for LLB preparations. Anyhow, KSLU will be going to conduct this month the exams for 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB in respect of art semesters and as well as arrear papers of previous semesters. So in this time we have to taken care utmost priority to give examinations. So for this examination point of view, I am here with to speak some few tips to pass or score LLB examinations. So first tip is time management. Time is very precious, so we have to manage the time very effectively and sincerely and dedicatedly. So how to manage the time, that we have to know very well. Each minute is very important for in this period. So time management, first tip. In the time management, you have to study at least minimum 6 hours a day. You should study. Many people will be studying more than that, but minimum 6 hours of study is required for to pass or score good marks in our LLB. Please be study in the morning, like please get up like 5 or 4:30 p.m. 4:30 a.m., whichever you feel. Please be get up early in the morning, please study. You should have a one timetable for examinations. Like you have 5 subject, means you have to give 2 days 2 days 2 days for each subjects, so that you can complete the syllabus. And as well as important questions which I have already shared in this channel, like first semester, second semester, third semester, I have given very important questions in this channel. So you can able to refer those videos, and please make a note of questions and make answers, or make you prepare for your own notes, whichever you feel. Please be study those questions, so that you can able to score very easily. And second tip is health management. In this during time, we have to taken care of our health. Especially we should have healthy food, like light food we should have, and plenty of fruits you can have it. And every day at least minimum 1 cup of milk you should have it, so that your health will be maintained very well during this period. If you have good health status, you can have you can read very easily, and whichever you read, that will get into your mind very efficiently, if you have well managed with your health. Then next tip is, during this period we have to prepare last minute preparation. Like we have to make key points of all questions. If you make that key points, if you go through one time, two time, three time, four time, 5 times, if you go through, you will write very easily. You should make practice to write. While reading, at least key points you have to practice to write, so that your handwriting, in the sense your hand movement, will be practiced very well in this period. Many of the people have been failed due to lack of time and lack of writing skills. So they couldn't able to get all complete of like questions. Finally they left out, like three questions, two questions, one question, so that they will be get failed. So please be right in well advance during this period. So reading and writing both should be required in this period. You have to taken care of your writing skills during this period. This is very important. Then next tip is examination day. At least we have to go early in the college. Please be collected well in advance your all tickets. We need not to hurry burry in that particular examination day. Please be 5 minutes early uh, in the college, so that you will have a peace of mind. You will have a uh, uh, piece of writing at your examinations. So get into that. Before that, at least you should have little half cup of water. Please don't drink too much. At least half cup of water you should have it, because this is a summer season. If you get dehydrated, it is very difficult to write examination. You will get headache, you will get body ache. So many things will be get. So that your health also important during this period. Please take care of your health. Then finally, once you get into the examinations hall, once issue the question papers, already I've explained in the earlier video. I need not to explain again, because you know very well now. If you see in my videos how to write examinations, you know very well. According to my guidelines and advice, please follow while writing examinations. Please do well. Once again I will repeat, your time is precious right now. Please take action for your time. At least minimum you should read 6 hours a day in this period. Then second tip is health management. Health is very important. You have to take care of health. Like you should have 1 cup of milk, plenty of water, and if required, a juice also can be taken during this period. Please take care of your health. Time management, health management, if you have, definitely you can able to write very easily in the exams. So please make a key points of all questions. If you read key points to practice, right? Please practice writing, so that you can in the examination your hand will be moving very freely. Please right now purchase 4 to 5 pens, whichever you feel, so that if you write practicing writing in the examination hall, no stuck will be there your pen. The pen will be writing very smoothly. Please choose your pen right now and purchase the pens right now, and keep it with you and writing, daily practicing writing, so that that pen will be writing very smoothly. So these tips are much essential in the during of examinations. Do well. All the best for your exams. 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB both. All the best. Thank you.